Hey YouTube. So I know we've been going. I seen someone comment under my TikTok when I was gonna drop my next video, so I said, you know what? Might as well. Today,
for the 4th of July.
We're giving you a 4th of July vlog. We're at the mall right now, seeing if we can find a different outfit.
So yeah, we're just walking through the mall right now. We got some Chick-fil-A.
And I got me some cookies.
Yeah,
I needed something sweet. But now
she
I'm
got
a little
the
bit too
munchies.
full. We're gonna take you on this adventure with us today. And
We're gonna go watch some
vlog
fireworks later and get drinks, so that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, this is gonna be a fun vlog. I hope I remember to vlog enough for y'all today.
I'll make sure of it. Let me make some timers. I'm over for because we always do
So
this.
hopefully this vlog will be long enough and give y'all what y'all wanted. I might do a little bit of public interviews if I could find somebody that I want to do too. But I don't know what question to ask. So
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Stay tuned.
We're back. We met a friend named Guy.
Yes,
Smell
guys.
that.
And we're
Yes. And I done took 7 shots already.
he's giving us
Hold on, really
shots.
quick.
We're at the mall.
Where you going? Where you going?
Oh yeah, it's his birthday. Yeah.
Oh, good luck getting them.
Oh, fuck, I got it.
Yes, sir.
That's not good.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
And I need this because mine's out. Oh no.
Oh.
Come
Oh
on.
my gosh. You're not gonna take one with us?
I already took my shot. Fuck you. Come on,
She
take a
just
shot.
wasted half of it.
Nah, fuck that. Take a shot.
That's just
She didn't really
gross
lose
as
her
fuck.
whole mind.
There's your shot glasses back.
It wasn't that bad.
No, it wasn't.
How are you?
Hey y'all, so we're still at the mall. The mall closed, but this guy that sells like perfume and cologne and stuff, he just made us take a shot of Moonshine at the mall. So I'm gonna try to, y'all see my outfit, I got the black. This is the outfit of the day, the black, the blue jean jacket, the romper, and the shoes. Outfit of the day. So my shirt, where is it from? Not really like right between one and something. My shorts are from, I don't know. My shoes are from, I also don't know. And,
Hey vlog! So we're leaving the mall now. I had to take that nasty ass shot of Moonshine. That shit is gross, but I know that shit'll fuck you up. This couple's mad at each other.
they're over here yelling at each other and then holding hands at the same time. Make it make sense.
Hey YouTube, go.
Hey vloggy vlog!
Vloggy vlog. So we just left my house. We drove downtown to try and find somewhere where we can drink and take a couple shots, get a little tipsy before we watch these fireworks.
But what was I gonna say? It was important. Like, oh, we're gonna go save our spot.
Yeah. And we're gonna take some pictures for Instagram. So make sure to go like and comment on them. Comment. I need my comments. So we'll keep you all updated on what we do. Hey vlog! So we got our daiquiris and we ended up having a park over there.
And it's kind of far from where we have to go.
We're walking on the bridge right now, trying to get to the fireworks show.
And it's gonna be a long ass vlog. And we're already kind of feeling our daiquiri.
That Moonshine shot really was strong as fuck. But now we got a daiquiri and got 4 extra shots in it.
So we're gonna be feeling good. Then we got a bottle of Crown coming our way.
Hey
Vlog.
Hey YouTube. So the fireworks show, I recorded a little bit of it for y'all, but they canceled it.
Oh, I can't, bro.
The grass caught on fire and they were putting it out for like 30 minutes and we were waiting for them.
Talking about let's go. They're not gonna put it on, and me and Maddie were like telling them that we were, it's gonna come back on. We were like, it's gonna come back on.
Yeah, and then they
And then it never
said it got canceled for safety reasons. So
Yeah, 'cause
we
the
only
grass
watched
is catching
like,
on fire.
yeah, we only watched like 10, 20, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I'd say.
Yeah, literally, it
fireworks.
was sad. Like, I
It
spent
was literally like
$15
it was
to
like
park, and we walked like good 10 miles.
yeah, it was like 2 or 3 songs that played at the fireworks, and then we had to leave.
So not even like 15 minutes.
But
it was literally
it's
like
okay because I've been drinking
Yeah,
and
we're
having
feeling
fun.
good. Well, me and Maddie are.
Yeah, we're always lit though, if you ask us.
We're always having fun. We always try to make the best of everything.
We always try to make everybody in a good mood when they're not,
Yeah.
and it'd be pissing us off sometimes. But we're in the McDonald's parking lot, drive-through right now.
We'll see if he wants to.
Look, you need to
Wait,
be
yeah.
in my YouTube video. Say hey.
YouTube video?
Yes, say hey.
It's a vlog
It's a vlog type shit.
type shit.